So welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create viral TikTok content. You can use this same knowledge I'll be giving you to create viral content on any other social media platform. But this was made for TikTok. So if you have ever wondered why you're not going viral, or probably you are stuck, you don't know what to post, what kind of content you should start posting on your page. So just make sure you pay attention from the beginning of this tutorial to the very end, because I'll be revealing to you the kind of content you should start posting that will help you go viral on TikTok. These content ideas I'll be giving you guys actually works, and they are the kind of content that will help you get thousands and millions of viewers, even if you're a new creator or you are an experienced creator. The good thing about this is that you don't need fancy equipment. You don't need fancy equipment. You just need to be consistent and ensure you explore these ideas I'll be revealing to you guys. Alright, so if you're new on this channel, this is Digital Payroll, and right on this channel I talk about ways you can make money on the internet, how to tutorials, and basically how to grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, ensure to like this video, ensure to drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So I'll be going straight to the point so I'll not waste our time. Alright, so I'll be reading to you 7 different content types you can start posting right now. So the very first content type you should start posting if you are looking forward to going viral on TikTok or growing your TikTok audience is a day in my life. A day in my life. So this is a classic kind of content whereby you go about showing people what your day looks like, If you're a fashion designer, if you're a makeup artist, if you're whatever you are into, people are curious. They want to know what a day in your life looks like. So if you go about creating that kind of content, you don't need to do much. Just grab a clip of each moment of that day. At the end of the day, you get to stitch them together. You get to put them together and get to post it at the end of that day and target a day in your life. This kind of content could actually help you attract a lot of viewers, a lot of engagement. So this is the first content type you can start putting together if you are looking forward to growing viral on TikTok. So the second content type you should look forward to creating is mini tutorials. Everybody loves learning. We all love learning new things, especially if it's like a quick tutorial or how-to tutorial, something that is simple and quick. So you can start by teaching your audience one thing in each video. Each video you create, you teach them one thing. It could be you creating video on how they can edit captions, or a quick Canva tip, or productivity hack. It could be anything. It could be how to create a web page in a simple way. Just make it short and simple. And if you are doing this, ensure you make it visual, ensure you talk fast during the tutorial, and also add text. Add those colorful text on your mini tutorials. So the thing about this one is that if you actually solve people's problem, people in your niche, if you solve the problem they struggle with, trust me, you are guaranteed to attract a lot of people in your industry, and you are guaranteed to grow fast. As long as you are solving people's problem, as long as you are providing value, you are guaranteed to grow fast with this kind of content. Awesome. So now the third content type you should look forward to creating if you want to go viral on TikTok, or if you are stuck on the content idea you should start posting, is you creating reaction videos, like reacting to viral videos or duet a viral video. So this is one of the easiest ways to go viral, one of the easiest ways to get discovered. So just head on to your TikTok right now, find a video that is blowing up, then you get to react to that video. React with that video using your facial expression. It could be your commentary, and you could actually duet with your output, probably your correction, your agreement, or even criticism about that trending video. And the good thing about that is that this kind of content builds a lot of engagement. So just go ahead and try this content idea, and I'm guaranteeing you that you'll see massive results doing this as a creator. So the fourth content type that can actually help you go viral on TikTok, like this content idea is working like crazy. This one is the before and after content. So this works in so many niches, like regardless of the niche you are currently in, people love to see transformations. These are some examples. It could be like a before and after of you cleaning your room, or probably your makeup glow, or a photo edit, or even body transformation. It could be like you talking about your workspace setup. So just make sure that the before looks messy and dull, then the after should look very clean and so impressive. So if you are doing this, just ensure you add a trendy sound to it and let the visual do the work. Do you get the point, guys? You are guaranteed to attract crazy viewers with this kind of content. So all these things I'm mentioning, like if you go to TikTok right now and search an example of it, you actually see so many examples on TikTok. Probably you are trying to get inspiration on how you should go about it. You will see so many examples. So aside the few examples I've listed or I've mentioned on this tutorial, aside the few examples I've mentioned, you can go to TikTok and get yourself more examples if you actually wish to get more inspiration on how to go about all this kind of content. So let's talk about the fifth content type which you can actually create to start going viral on TikTok. So the fifth content type is, this content that says trying for the first time. So you can start creating such kind of content. You can document your first attempt at something. It could be your first time using ChatGPT, or your first time trying affiliate marketing, or your first time trying a cooking recipe. It could be your first time live streaming. Anything, as long as it's within your niche, as long as it will attract your target audience. Do you get? So just create a first time. People want to see, or they want to feel what it looks like when someone is starting something for the first time. Like this kind of content are actually relatable, and therefore it creates massive engagement. It gives people the idea of what it will look like when they go into something for the first time. So just go ahead and try this. Go ahead and give this a try, and you'll be impressed at the kind of results you'll be getting with this kind of content. So the sixth content type that you could actually create to start getting massive engagement and virality on TikTok is when you go into creating hot take or unpopular opinion. This unpopular opinion could be you talking about TikTok, about dating, about fashion, about money, anything that your audience cares about. The thing about this kind of content is that it gets crazy comments, like crazy engagement. People want to like counter what you're saying, or they want to like agree with what you're saying. Just ensure that you're respectful when putting down your opinion, and also be ready to reply to people's comments. Like be ready for a conversation in your comment section, because this kind of content generates massive comments. Awesome. So let's talk about the seventh content type you can create to start going viral on TikTok. So this one, I'll say this one is like you putting three things you didn't know about. Do you understand? Three things you didn't know about. So people scroll for value. People want to get value on a daily basis. So you can share like some quick lists. You can share some quick lists. Something like three TikTok features you are not using, or three secrets for better engagement, or three apps that can make you a better content creator. Like just make it in a bullet point style or in number style and keep it tight. Ensure that if you're creating such, it should not be more than 15 to 45 seconds so that people don't get bored while getting value from you. These days, a lot of people have short attention span. So don't make the video too long. Ensure you give your value very short and concise, okay? Alright, so these are the seven content ideas you can start creating now to start going viral on TikTok. So I believe you got value from this video. Just try any of this. Let me know how it goes. This is one advice I'll give you. Try the seven different ideas I gave you guys. Then anyone that gets the most engagement and view, that is the one you get to like focus more on. Do you understand? That's the secret behind this. After you try the seven different ideas I give you guys, go ahead and focus on the one that gets the most engagement, the most views, and brought the most followers for you on your page on TikTok. So I believe you got value, guys. Awesome. So if you did, ensure to like this video, ensure to drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.